Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to publish your Base44 app on App Store. Alright, let's begin. First, open any web browser and search for Base44. Sign into your account and you will be automatically redirected to the user homepage dashboard. From there, navigate to the specific Base44 app that you would like to publish to the App Store. Once inside your project editor, click on the Publish button located at the upper right corner of the screen. Instead of selecting the standard web deployment, choose the Mobile App tab from the menu. You will then be required to complete a few guided steps to prepare your build. First, click on the Check App option, and then select the Run App Scan button. Next, choose the App Store Guidelines option to scan your project for compliance. If the system flags any compatibility errors, simply click on the Fix with AI button to automatically resolve them. Once your app successfully follows all guidelines, you can click Build Store Files to generate your submission bundles. Please note that you must be subscribed to the Base44 Builder plan or higher to download these store files. After confirming your subscription, you can download your package and complete the publication process in App Store Connect. So that's basically how you can publish your Base44 app on App Store. That's it for this video. Thanks!